Hello, dear traders. In this video, I will show you the simplest strategy for manual trading on any market, be it cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, or futures. So, let's start by changing the language in the terminal so everything becomes clear to you. Go to the Settings tab, then General Settings, then Interface, and in the first field, Interface Language, select English from the drop-down list. Next, a window will pop up saying that you need to restart the terminal.
Connected. Connected.
Next, we need two moving averages, a fast one, yellow, and a slow one, red.
Let's click on the moving average to check the settings. Let's click on the Indicators icon. In the drop-down list, we select Moving Averages. This is how we add the indicator to the chart. By default, it adopts the settings of the last moving average, which in this case is the slow one, and that is why it is not visible. Let's press the X button to remove the indicator. Let's check the periods of our moving averages. They should be 70 and 21 respectively. For our strategy, we will also need a calculator, as we will be calculating profit based on historical data. As an example, we will take a 1-month period on the 1-hour time frame, using the XRP USDT Perpetual Future instrument. And on it, I will show how to achieve profitable results using the simplest strategy. Here, we will also need the rectangle graphic object. We will use it to highlight narrow areas where 10 or more candles are located within a tight range, the rectangle. Importantly, the bodies of the candles must be within this range, from the opening prices to the closing prices, without considering the wicks. Also important here is the signal candle that breaks the lower boundary of our rectangle, for a short trade in this case, because the yellow line is below the red one, according to the two moving average indicators, indicating a downward trend.
We will measure our potential stop-loss level, which equals 1%.
We measure the take-profit level, which is 5%. You can do this by holding down the mouse wheel at the point where you want to start measuring the stop or take levels.
We have recorded our profit in the calculator. So far, it's plus 5% profit from this trade.
Let's move on to the next example on the chart. Here we have an accumulation, a range constriction, and a breakout. But alas, we got a loss in this trade. Minus 1%. But what can you do? Every trading system has losses, and you need to accept them like expenses in a real business.
The total profit from the two trades is still plus 4%.
Now let's look at a buy trade. We can see here that we have 10 bars in our rectangle, meaning in the accumulation phase. We measure our stop loss of 1% and take profit of 5%. We can see that the trade was executed at the profit level, so we add the result to our calculator. In these examples, we see that not all conditions are always met. Only one of several conditions might be met, in which case we do nothing and just wait. We only enter the position if all entry conditions are met. Finally, a short opportunity situation has appeared. And in this example, we hit take profit. The total result was 14%, and this is just for 1 month of testing. Impressive figures for such a simple system.
With one more profitable trade, we could have already achieved 19% profit in a month.
In this video, I showed how a simple system using moving averages and the simple graphic pattern square, the accumulation phase, can result in a profitable trading system. Thank you for watching, my dear viewers of the channel.